today I hear about this trolley on a train, and I decided to take my little self and go on a little adventure with my cousin. So we're gonna see this trolley on the train, this old train track that we used to have in Jamaica. And you know, it's forgotten Jamaica, where a lot of people still live near the train track, hoping that someday it will come back to life, which we don't think so, but we still have faith and hope. So let's track on. This edition is called the Forgotten Jamaica. This is where the train line used to run back in the days. We are at a place called Ipswich. Yeah.
Norway.
Norway?
Yeah.
Okay, Norway, Jamaica. So, yeah.
This is the rail that the train drive on.
And this is our guide for today.
Yeah.
So we're going where? Deep bush.
Yeah, deep bush. Yeah, in the hills.
In the hills.
Yeah, in the hills.
Yeah. This is undiscovered Jamaica.
Yeah, sure. From this train stop run, most of the people them migrate from here.
Okay.
Normally, I was living up. You see, if you can look up there, that's where I was living. Yeah, and then it gets hard. I have to go down here. See?
Right.
Yeah, so the train will make people, enough of the people them move out.
Move out.
Yeah.
Because it was their mean of transportation.
That's the only means of transportation, 2 and 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now only like a few
Few
people.
run, yeah.
At every train, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Yes, people, this is when you know you almost reach your destination. But we're going in.
Tell them about the rat bat.
Let's hope there's no rat bat in the tunnel.
There are rat bats in that.
There is rat bat in the tunnel.
In the roof of that tunnel.
All right. So nobody shine no flashlight. Oh, how beautiful this is, guys.
You might hear them flying around and speaking.
You will never believe this is Jamaica, but it is. I tell you, Jamaica have so much beautiful things to see, beautiful place to discover, and the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh my God, look at this.
Cool. Very cool.
Oh, I mean, look at this. Yes. Places that people don't know exist.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Yes, sure.
Oh yeah, can't wait to get on. Yeah.
Come and take a ride, man. Them say, no. They say, you think you'll be here and go fast like this? I said, sure. Laugh at me now. And anyhow, they beg them to come on it. So when they go up and come back down, so when they carry them down so, I say, you're coming again. They say, no, never again. They say, something like when we reach all this up. Oh God, man, you drop your toe up.
They said so the trolley get them scared.
Scared, man. One of the man sit down, one eldest man was on it. And when he come at the tunnel, he said, we stop here and say, no brakes, just sit down and hold on. And eventually, when he goes from Sablamar, and he go to the doctor, doctor saying heart shift.
Right.
Through the speed,
Uh-huh.
yeah, the speed can get covered there and let him say heart shift. And then he never left here and short period of time he didn't here.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I say, his heart could have handled it.
No heart could handle it.
Oh.
I tell you, it was not nice thing coming down when you see it, man. You're afraid of it. Sure.
So how did it, who built it?
No, alright.
How did it come about?
That's the one want to show you.
Uh-huh.
That was the original one for the relay.
Yeah.
But this little one now, I arrange this little one that you can manage freely. Yeah, but that's one of the original one. When it come loud like home is man, pretty hit. If it come like 120 miles per hour,
Right.
we don't have no braking, we just come on kind of like that. Come when you train, so the line in good in condition. Oh, no problem. It was good. Now I take it for fun, but no, I wouldn't dare try it.
Okay.
No,